Battery health is a critical concern on vehicles with low voltage systems powered by batteries. Without the voltage stored in your batteries, you're literally dead in the water. Let's take a close look at the Kisei Abso battery chargers and see what makes them special. The Abso chargers are actually designed to work with any 110 or 240 volt grid system. The AC power leads into the system here. Abso chargers deliver 4 primary charge stages: a bulk, an absorption, a float, and a maintenance stage. This results in basically a battery that's ready faster and improves their battery life. That initial bulk charge stage delivers the full rated output current of the charger, and it gets the battery up to its absorption voltage. What does that mean? Basically, it's going to charge your battery to about 80% of its capacity very quickly. The charger then switches into the absorption mode. This basically brings down the charger voltage and fills up the battery that remaining 20%. Once the battery is fully charged, the charger will go into a float stage, which drops the voltage to a constant level predetermined by the charging algorithm. This phase makes up for any off-the-shelf discharges or parasitic loads on the battery. This constant voltage stage actually allows the charger to act as a 12-volt power supply as well. This can be programmed in the settings. The fourth phase of charging is the maintenance phase. By leaving the charger connected to the batteries, every 7 days the charger is going to restart its charging algorithm. This ensures that your batteries get maintained well during the off-season. Why is that important? Batteries have self-discharge even when sitting on a shelf. And they can even discharge faster if left in a boat connected to the electrical system that has alarms or electronics or even engine battery computers that draw a small amount of power even when they're turned off. The Abso battery chargers have charging algorithms for flooded, AGM, gel, and lithium batteries. They also have a unique program mode that allows you to completely program all of the charger's functions should future battery technologies require it. The chargers also allow you to connect multiple battery technologies to the charger at the same time and have a unique charging algorithm on each of the battery bank's outputs, whether it's bank 1, 2, or 3. You can actually also prioritize the battery bank charging and tell the charger which one's most important to you. The charger will charge that bank up first and then switch over to the other ones. It defaults to battery bank 1 being the most important and 2 and 3 being the secondary banks. The charger will also regulate its output based on the loads connected to the battery banks. If one battery is discharging quickly due to loads on the battery, the charger will actually increase the rate of charge to that battery. You'll also notice that there's 2 ports here, one for you to connect an optional battery monitor display, as well as one for battery temperatures. Kisei's designers also realize that these units are typically installed in close proximity to sleeping quarters. Due to this, they have included a silent mode, which prohibits the battery charger from turning its fan on and off. It'll reduce the current a little bit, so your batteries will take longer to charge up, but it also doesn't generate as much heat, which requires the fan to turn on. That helps you get a good night's sleep by not being interrupted by the cooling fan cycling on and off.